Hi, it's Barbara Greenlee with Green Moon Stamp Studio, and I'm here with my daughter Samantha also, who is on my team, Moonlight Stamp Crew, and we're going to do an unboxing video. This is for some online exclusives that come out March 1st to customers. As demonstrators, we were able to pre-order in the beginning of February, I believe. It's usually a month ahead of everybody else. So and I've got my box here, and we're going to take a look at what we got, and like I said, it'll be all available to everybody March 1st. So let's see. All right, here is the first thing. This is a stamp set called Textured Timber. So this is a tree ring and tree stump and tree set.
Yeah.
I love tree rings. That is going to be fun to play with, stamping words on there.
Making textured backgrounds with these different...
make some backgrounds. So I'm loving that.
Does this come with dies, or is it just...
I believe that is just by itself. Okay. Then I'm saving the best for last. Okay. So this is another one. Isn't that cool?
That's
this
cute.
is a background stamp called Drizzling Droplets.
That's super cute.
So, and hopefully I'm holding it right so you can see it. It's just a background stamp, but I love background stamps. Add a little texture without, needing designer paper.
They're soft too, so they kind of have like a watercolor feel to them. That's nice. Very subtle.
Okay. So, and this is a bundle that is available. Actually, I don't know. This one might be already available.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I can't remember.
So this one is called Encircled in Nature. Yeah, Encircled in Nature, and this one has dies. So let's take a look at the dies. I love the little twiggy wreath on there.
Yeah.
And look at the trees. You can put the trees in the wreath.
Little pines, and there's a little moon and star somewhere.
I think, isn't this one of the ones we get to play with on stage in Houston next week?
I think so.
Is that next week? The week after next? I think we have 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
So, oh yeah, look at the dies.
Yeah, those are
so there are the dies. A lot of wreaths and
there's the inside photo, so you can see how big everything is.
So I'm loving that. So
that's
this
beautiful, and it's acrylic.
Yeah, photopolymer.
Photopolymer.
Yeah.
I always call it acrylic because it's see-through. But that makes it nice for lining up.
All right, so that's Encircled in Nature. All right, now we have another little die. Look at the little...
That's tiny.
Yeah, it's called Happy Little Things.
Of course.
And I love this. I don't remember what it looks like.
We ordered this box early February.
I have had it for a while and not really opened it because I was waiting to share it with you. So, but I remember I love it. Okay, it's just a couple of little greeting things.
Banners.
So, I mean, if you have a
tiny saying or
just a happy birthday and you want to make it special instead of just, because I don't think it particularly goes with anything. It's an on its own die.
That's cute though. It's got might be hard to see. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's like a little stitch on the edge too. Not all the way around, just the edges.
Okay, and then we have some Glimmer specialty paper. I believe this is
that's bright, everybody.
I believe this is part of the online exclusives. But again, I may have ordered a couple things that were already available. I don't remember. I think this is part of the online exclusives. I'll put a little title below to let you know for sure. So this is, I like the color combination, although I'm not a big bright pink person. But this is Berry Burst.
Need some sunglasses.
Yeah, Berry Burst Glimmer paper. And Old Olive. Yes, this is part of the online.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure
I
this
now
is.
I remember something about it that I forgot until just now.
Oh,
And look at that.
yeah, that's beautiful. The white.
Yeah. So yeah, it's just white,
It's just
olive,
white.
old olive, and okay. So here's the thing about this one. If you'll notice, I only have one of each sheet in the paper. When we did the pre-order, they accidentally packaged it incorrectly.
Oh.
You will get 2 of each sheet in your packages. So what they did for the demonstrators who pre-ordered early, they just credited us back half the value. So of course I do have 2 sheets of each because I got 2 packs, but but I could have had 4 of each, you know.
Yeah.
But that's okay. When it's available March 1st, I'll go ahead and get some more. Okay, now this is my favorite. All right.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is the one we're both been looking forward to.
Okay, and this one is called Latte Love. So it's a coffee set.
Yes.
So so excited about this. It's been a while since we had a coffee set with dies. I mean, look at the little.
Yeah, the little.
You know, the little thing they do at, like what they do at Starbucks or something. You know, with the cream and the.
Yep. Make little designs in the cream.
Yeah. And then it's got dies, it's got cups, it's got the
little
overhead
spoon,
view of a cup. Yeah, let's see what the dies look like.
coaster.
Oh, and little splotches for when you spill your coffee.
Mm-hmm. And the little ring for, you know, when you forget to use a coaster.
So here are the dies. And the dies have like a French press and a regular coffee pot, and you got your little cups, your big cups.
Your top view, your side view, so
yeah.
you can have the little art.
And there are embellishments
Of course.
that come with this.
And I'm gonna. Suite?
It's a whole suite.
It's a whole suite.
Yeah.
So there's paper, a bundle.
So this is the cool thing about these, and I hope that I can hold it close enough for you to see. But there are little swirls.
Yes.
On these embellishments. They're called swirl dots, adhesive back swirl dots. And so it's like they already have little coffee swirls.
Mm-hmm.
And then there is ribbon.
Of course.
This is polka dot trim, natural. So now the polka dots are only on one side. So it's natural on one side, and then it has the white polka dots on the other side. So it's very burlappy feeling.
Yeah.
But this is going to go really well with all of the coffee stuff. And if you want the white dots showing, you know, then you would just do a piece across.
Yeah.
Not do a bow, because then I wouldn't do a bow with burlappy ribbon anyway.
Yeah,
I would.
A little bit thick.
I would, you know, do this business where you like, you know,
swiggy.
put it on the.
Yeah, and you get the greeting over top of it.
Okay, and here is the piece de resistance.
The paper.
The paper, and it's called a little latte. So I can't wait to play with this and make a bunch of coffee stuff. So let's take a look at the paper close up. I've only seen it online. I love this overview one.
Yeah, it's super cute with all the designs.
Yeah, I'm just going to pull it all out.
Yep.
So, and you can, you have the dies. You can cut out these coffee cups with the dies.
The overhead die.
And look at the other side. It's got all the little coffee rings.
Little coffee rings.
So that's one.
Super cute. I love the.
Look at the little beans.
Yeah, I love the pink and the blue and the yellow together with the
neutrals.
They
did a different color combination this time. They added the yellow and the pink instead of like blue, green, brown.
Which is nice. I really like it actually.
This one also, there's a coffee bean. You can cut out some of these coffee beans, I'm pretty sure, with the dies. So this one is just all over coffee bean.
Yeah, there's a die that has a little cluster of coffee beans, and there's just 2 singles.
And then you've got a nice plaid on the back. And then this one has got all of your, this one's
plaid.
got the coffee cups. So which coffee cups, do any of these cut out? I'm not sure if they
that's a coffee
do.
cup. That looks like a little creamer.
I don't think these coffee cups cut out. You would just use these as a background.
Yeah, they do not cut
See,
out.
because that's round on the bottom.
Yep. No, they do not.
Yeah, so
not,
you could hand fussy cut
you can
these
fussy
out.
cut those, but
Because
they
we
don't.
love fussy cutting.
Yes. Actually, I kind of do.
I don't mind it.
I
don't
weirdly
mind it.
like it.
I
know.
A lot
like,
of
I'm in
my
control.
ladies don't like it.
Yeah.
But you know, there's a lot of good images here that you could fussy cut out and put on something, or you just use it as background. So, and then, but if you don't want to use these big ones as a background, you could use the back side,
Which is
because
a bunch of really
little
tiny
coffee cups. That's more backgroundy, I think,
Yeah, it
than these
is.
big ones. I would probably cut out these big ones.
I would too.
So, I love this one. Look.
Splatter.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh,
I like the one after.
yeah, yeah. Look at this. Look, this is what we're all oohing and awing
Yeah,
about.
the splatter.
Just
It's just
splatters
splatter.
of coffee. Like,
But the brown
of course,
on brown.
and I'm not even a coffee drinker.
No, you are not. I
You-
like a good
you-
iced coffee.
You like iced coffee.
Like a
I like
frappuccino.
hot tea.
Yes. Well, I like hot tea too, but
But I like hot chocolate. I could just pretend this is hot chocolate.
I don't think you'd be spilling any of your hot chocolate though.
No. Mm-mm.
No.
No, we're not doing that. But so that is awesome. I love the splatters.
Yeah, I like the two-tone on it.
And this is beautiful
That's
too.
beautiful too, like watercolor.
What is this? Is this Lost Lagoon?
I don't know. Yeah, Lost Lagoon.
Lost
you called
Lagoon.
it. Oh, no wonder you like this side. Guess what it is?
Well, it's early espresso and pecan pie.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's pretty good. I was like, she's not gonna guess
I was
it.
just guessing, but so there we go.
Lemon
Yeah,
lolly.
yeah. Oh, I love Lost Lagoon. So yeah, and look at this. This is so cool.
These are. Oh,
It's like the swirls in your coffee cup
yeah.
or your hot chocolate.
Depending.
You can put cream in hot chocolate or milk, you know,
Yeah.
and get something that, I mean, it wouldn't be that light, but.
Yeah, but it's still cool. It kind of looks like it's got the like steam rising off of it too.
It's got
like,
those
it's got
pinks.
like foggy steam.
Is
yeah.
that petal pink?
Nope. Calypso coral.
Oh, Calypso Coral. Really?
Yep. Calypso coral, early espresso, lemon lolly, Lost Lagoon. Oh, petal pink is in there.
Ha!
My apologies.
Ha!
It just.
Ha!
It was.
Ha!
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, and then the other side.
I was reading it. It was the last color on the list.
I know what my colors are.
Yeah, clearly.
Okay, so this is the other side, which is kind of like what you might see in a fancy coffee
Yeah.
too, right?
Yep.
And then, ooh, this one's pretty.
Yeah. The
More swirls. I love this paper.
It is beautiful paper. Did you
Why
get
is
more?
it the paper is always like the best part? But
I don't
you know, but
know.
you can't do anything with just the paper. You got to have
have
the
the
stamp
set.
set and the dies.
Yeah.
But yeah, so here's some more of those swirls. I'll try to keep moving it around like, and then you've got just a all over background on the back. This is Calypso Coral.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So and that's just a bunch of the little coffee beans. So and of course, you know, they let us buy 2 packs.
So you got
So I
2.
got 2 packs, and
Yeah,
they let us
papers.
buy 2 ribbons. So I got 2. So that's it. That's everything in my box, and I will start creating with this
Let us know in the comments.
because I have nothing else to do.
Yeah. No.
I know. I have a yeah. So let us know what your favorite coffee is in the
That's
comments, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like iced coffee? Do you, what other kinds of coffee is there?
espresso?
Espresso. That's the little
The little shots. You
shots.
espresso shot person?
Yeah, my husband likes the espresso shots.
Or did you just like
He
it?
likes dark roast too, as long
Yeah.
as the coffee is dark roast. So, but anyway, yeah, tell us what coffee you like. And if you like this sweet in the comments. Thanks.